Hello friends, today we are going to talk about 8 types of muda as per lean process. Before that, I would request you to please subscribe to our channel to keep getting the updates. First of all, let's see what is muda or waste. Any activity which use resources but adds no value is called a muda or waste. First one is defect. Any flaw identified in the product or service after the launch is called a defect, which makes the product or service defective. For an example, in an online form, name is a required field as per requirement, but people can submit the form without completing the name field. That is called the defect, which makes online form a defective product. Overproduction. A car company produced 500 more cars over and above the requirement or demand. That is called overproduction waste. Waiting. This is an idle time. People are waiting for instructions or material to complete the work or to start the work. That is called waiting waste. This is happening in the organizations because of non-synchronization of the processes. Non-utilized talent. People are not utilized as per their skill set. They have been given routine jobs. They are filling the Excel sheets. Their talent is not fully utilized. That is called talent waste. Transportation. When goods are being moved unnecessarily without requirement from one place to another place, that is called transportation waste. Inventory. Now, car company had produced 500 more cars without the demand. So until unless those cars are sold, they will be kept in the inventory. That will increase the inventory levels. That is called inventory waste. Motion. Unnecessary movement of people to get the work done, to take the approvals from one place and then second place, that is called motion waste. Now don't confuse with transportation. Transportation is unnecessary movement of goods. Motion is unnecessary movement of people. Extra processing. Overproduction was you have produced 500 more cars. Extra processing is you have painted the wall more than once. You have painted the wall 4 times. That is called extra processing. I think these are pretty much clear to all of you. So we have made the separate videos for all these 8 type of waste. I will share the links in the comment. Now the next thing is how to remember all of these waste types. So just remember downtime, and next time you will be able to recall all the waste types. So friends, in this video this much only. Next time we will come up with new video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.